Hello, my dear second class children. A very good morning to each and everyone. Welcome back to our EVS class. Children, today our topic is what? Today our topic is inside our body. So, what are the organs, body parts are there inside our body? We see what are the parts inside our body, children? No, it is not visible. So whatever outer parts we can see it like this: hands, nose, ears, and but today we are going to learn what is there inside our body. So you are all you are all having interest to learn about, not children, what is there inside our body. Okay, I'll read for you. Listen carefully. So we eat food to keep ourselves fit and healthy. As we are learning, so food will give us healthy and strong. Our body is made up of different parts. Some of the body parts can be seen while some of cannot be seen normally. Okay, some body parts as we are seeing, no, that is head, nose, eyes, mouth, ears, hands and legs, necks. But what are the parts inside our body we can't see? The body parts that we cannot see with normal eyes are our internal body parts. So the body parts we cannot see, that is called internal body parts. So the body parts we cannot see, that is our internal inside our body. So we can't see, no, that body parts, what we call, that we call internal body parts. Each part has a different and unique role. So each part is very different and very special, children. Understood? So today we are going to know what is there in our body. The first is brain. The first part is brain. Can't you see here? You see your brain, children? No, it is inside our skull, in our head. So what brain will do? Today we are going to learn. Brain help us to think, read, write and remember. Children, what brain help us to do? It help us to think, read, write and remember. So what all the things you remember, no? Which body part is helping to you? Brain. It controls all other body parts. It controls all other body parts. Okay. The next one is food pipe. Food pipe. So what food pipe? Here it is there. This is called food pipe. When it is in a book number 5, this diagram you can see with the you can open and see later after watching this video. Okay, food pipe. Food pipe carries the food we eat from our mouth to our stomach. So here, from ear to ear, the food pipe. So what it will do? It carries the food from mouth to stomach. The food pipe. Without food pipe, our directly it will not go to the stomach. No, the food, it will be scattered around the body. So what? So the food pipe will help us to carry the food from mouth to stomach. Then afterwards, heart. One more part is heart. It is very important part. Okay, heart. So heart is always on the left side. And the left, when you keep your hand like this, it will make the sound lub dub lub dub lub dub. Understood? Heart is the most important body part. So heart is very most important body part. It pumps the blood to all the parts of our body. It keeps us alive. So what the heart will do? It pumps, it supplies all the body, it supplies the blood to all the body parts and it helps us to keep us alive. Understood, children? Then we move on to the lungs. So one more is lungs. One more body part is lungs. So what lungs will do, children? Lungs help us breathe fresh air. They take in the fresh air and throw out the stale air. We have two lungs on each side of our chest. So this is called the lungs. So how many lungs we have? We have two lungs. So what the lungs will do? They will take clean air and throw the dirty air from your body. So when you breathe like this, no, who help us to breathe? The lungs will help us to breathe. Understood? So it takes the, what are the duty of the lungs? So it takes the clean fresh air and throw out the stale, means the dirty air. We have two lungs on each side of the chest. So the next is stomach. STOMACH, stomach. So what the stomach will do, children? Stomach takes up all the healthy nutrients from the food we eat. It separates all the nutrients and the waste. So when we eat the food, so what the stomach will do? It take all the healthy good things to the body, and the bad, the waste material, it separates. Understood? It separates. What stomach will do? It takes all the good nutrients from the food we eat, and it separates all the nutrients and the waste. Understood? Then the last one is liver. Liver. So what liver will do, children? Liver help us clean our blood. Blood is very important for us. Clean blood help us to stay healthy. So our liver will do what? It helps. It clean our blood. It clean our blood and will send to the heart, and heart will send to all the body. So blood is very important, no, to our body. So clean blood help us healthy. So if you have clean blood in your body, then you are very healthy person. You are very healthy person. Who cleans the blood here? Liver help us clean our blood. Liver help us to clean our blood. So what are the internal parts? They have 6 internal parts. No, first is brain, and then food pipe, then heart, then lungs, then stomach, then liver. In the Zoom class, again we are going to learn more. We will discuss more about all these parts. Understood, children? I hope you understand about all the 6 internal body parts. Okay, children, we meet in our next class. Until be stayed and blessed. Thank you.